So let us do one more problem from trigonometric identities. Just see here. Here we have given that if tan theta plus sin theta equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta equal to n, then show that m square minus n square equal to 4 root mn. Okay, like this we have to show. Here we can prove this in two different methods. Okay, first one, take LHS and get the value of it. Take LHS, m square minus m square minus n square, substitute the values and simplify, you will get some value. And then after take RHS, substitute m and n values and simplify that. Okay, and you will definitely you will get RHS value and LHS value equal. That is normal method. But here I want to take LHS part and I want to give you RHS part. I want to prove RHS part. In that way only I want to do it. Just see how to do. See, I want to take LHS part. We need to show this equal to this. No, what is LHS then? M square minus n square. M square minus n square is your LHS. What is m square minus n square? Tell me. Here m square means tan theta plus sin theta whole square. Tan theta plus sin theta whole square. Minus n square. What is n? Tan theta minus sin theta whole square. Okay. Tan theta minus sin theta whole square. Just see. Now this is in the form of what? A plus b whole square, and this is in the form of what? A minus b whole square. Let us expand them. See, I am doing here LHS part, I am exploring LHS part here. See here, this is a plus b whole square, so we can write this in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square is what? Tan square theta. Plus b square is what? Sin square theta. Plus 2ab means what? 2 tan theta sin theta minus of, here minus is there, minus symbol is there, so don't open the bracket, okay, because we need to multiply with minus symbol also. Okay, so anyways, this is a minus b form, a minus b whole square form, so we can expand this in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a square would be what? Tan theta whole square, that is tan square theta, plus b square, that is sin square theta, okay, minus 2 tan theta sin theta, 2ab. Now, okay, 2 tan theta sin theta, like this we can write, means a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, like this we can write. So here we can simplify this by multiplying minus symbol. Okay, so again we will do this, tan square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 tan theta sin theta minus into plus minus tan square theta minus into plus minus sin square theta minus into minus plus 2 tan theta sin theta, right. Now we open the bracket. Now here tan square theta is having plus symbol and minus symbol tan square theta, and sin square theta is plus over here and minus here. We can cancel this. So what is here? 2 tan theta sin theta and 2 tan theta sin theta, both are having same sign. We can add them together. Okay, so what do we get here? 2 plus 2, 2 tan theta sin theta, and this is repeated twice, so we can write it as 4 tan theta sin theta. Okay, till then. So I now just stop it here. Actually, for beginners, considering the beginners, I expanded this entire expressions. Otherwise, we can consider one special product of algebra. To skip this step, you can use the special product also. This is in the form of what? A plus b whole square, okay, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, Right. Now this is in the form of what? A minus b whole square, which is in the form of what? A square plus b square minus 2ab, right? Now we need to subtract a minus b whole square from a plus b whole square because minus symbol is there. So we need to subtract. While subtracting, symbols get changes here. So what happens? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to a squares and b squares are cancelled, 2ab added together to get 4ab, right? So in the same case, so I want to tell you only one thing, that if you are aware of the algebra, you don't need to do this lengthy step. But as per the step by step procedure, I wrote this. Understood? You don't need to do this actually if you have awareness on this. How can you write? Tell me. You can skip these two steps. Understood? Let me show here. You can skip these two steps. How can you skip? Simply, this is in the form of a plus b whole square minus this is in the form of a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is simply what? 4ab. That's it. You don't need to do this all. These steps are not required. Then what can you do? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. What is a here? Tan theta. What is b here? Sin theta. So we can simply write equal to 4 tan theta sin theta. So directly from here to here you can put the step if you are aware of this special product or this algebraic identity. Understood? What happens when a minus b whole square subtracted from a plus b whole square? If you know this, simply you can do this problem. You can skip this lengthy step. See you know how much lengthy it is. You don't need to put this lengthy step here. You don't. So straight away you can write from here only. You can write this step. But as per the procedure, I wrote it. Okay, leave it. It doesn't matter. Now, just see. But we didn't get the answer. No, this is not 4 root mn. Okay, in order to get that, just I am doing one thing. See, tan theta and sin theta. Okay. Now just see here, for my convenience, here tan theta is there now. Tan theta, to that I put square, and sin theta, to that I put square. But value will be changed now. So in order to value doesn't change. So value should not be changed now. So what we have to do? We have to apply the square and square root. So I just have done a small arrangement here. Try to understand. If this step you understand, it's very simple. It's a cakewalk. See here. What I have done? 4 tan theta into sin theta. 4 tan theta into sin theta. Now what I have done? I have applied squares and square root also. I left this 4. Okay, I left this 4 outside. Now what I did? I applied squares to the tan theta and sin theta, and similarly I applied the square root also. What happens if you cancel squares of this and square with square root? Again we'll get same or not? Means value is not changed here. When you apply the square and square root to the same term, the value remains same. Okay, so if you cancel the squares with the square root, again you get back the same value. Okay, so anyways, so I think you might have understood this. Now let us convert. Okay, let us convert this 4 into square root. Okay, tan square theta should be converted in terms of sin square and sin and cos thetas. So what is meant by tan square theta? Tan square theta can be further written as sin square theta by cos square theta, because tan theta is sin theta by cos theta into sin square theta. Okay. Okay, in order to obtain the required value, we are doing these adjustments. Okay, now just tell me. Here sin square theta into sin square theta by cos square theta. Okay, now just do one more adjustment. 4 into square root. See, tell me, sin square theta, I am telling you sin square theta plus cos square theta is an identity or not? What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So now, can we take this cos square theta to another side of the equation or not? Exactly, we can take it. Then what do we get? Sin square theta equal to 1. Since we are changing we are taking this cos square theta to another side, plus will convert it to minus, so cos square theta. So can we replace sin square theta with 1 minus cos square theta or not? One of the sin square theta. Here one sin square theta will be substituted by 1 minus cos square theta into write another sin square theta as it is by cos square theta. By cos square theta. Now multiply. See, in this in this numerator part, multiply with sin square theta with each and every term. Okay, sin square theta into 1. See here, 4 into square root. Okay, sin square theta into 1, that is sin square theta, minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Here minus sign is there. Sin square theta into cos square theta. Right. What is denominator part then? Cos square theta inside the square root. Cos square theta. Right? Okay. Now separating the fractions, splitting into fractions. What happens? Tell me. This is 4 into. Okay. Sin square theta by cos square theta. Minus this by cos square theta. What is this? Sin square theta cos square theta by cos square theta. Right? Now if you observe here, we can cancel cos square theta in both numerator and denominator parts. Now here sin square theta by cos square theta. So what is the ratio of sin to cos? Is it tan theta or not? Yes. So therefore sin square theta by cos square theta can be written as tan square theta, right? Tan square theta. Okay, tan square theta. Here minus sin square theta. Now again observe inside the square root what we obtained. Here tan square theta minus sin square theta. According to algebra, again this is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square can be splitted into which form? A plus b into a minus b or not? Because a square minus b square is a standard formula that can be splitted into factors a plus b and a minus b, right? So we can split it like this or not? Exactly, we can split it. So how to split them? See here, 4 into square root of a square minus b square, that can be further splitted to a plus b into a minus. Okay, just tell me what is a plus b? Tan theta is considered as a and sin theta is considered as b. So therefore a plus b means tan theta plus sin theta. Tan theta plus sin theta into a minus b. A minus b means what? Tan theta minus sin theta. Okay, now just notice. What is the value of tan theta plus sin theta? Is it m or not? Tan theta plus sin theta is m as given in the problem. And what is tan theta minus sin theta? Is it n or not? Exactly. So value of tan theta plus sin theta is m. So we can replace this tan theta plus sin theta with m. And value of tan theta minus sin theta is n. So we can replace with n. So write it down, 4 into root. What is that? This is m and this is n. That's all. Now tell me, we took m square minus n square, which is LHS part, and we obtained 4 root mn, which is RHS part. We obtained or not? That's it. We can do like this. Okay, we took LHS and we obtained RHS. Okay, here from here we need to convert smartly. Understand? You need to think smart here in this step. Okay, and if you want to skip these steps, you need to have the awareness on algebraic identities. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. Right? Like this you can do this problem.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.